The 50 Series Delta Flow muffler incorporates an increased case size, slightly smaller than the 70 Series, with the technology from the Delta Flow muffler. In the 50 Series Delta Flow muffler, designed for the SUVs and large displacement engine vehicles, Flowmaster claims the larger case size allows for optimum exhaust flow, increased mileage, and reduced interior resonance. This is the muffler line that is perfect for use on full-sized, high-performance street cars looking to drop that interior resonance and tone levels that go along with everyday driving. Now let's hear the Delta Flow muffler on the El Camino.